Hi guys, it's Kerill here from Rocka Hillbillies. I've got some exciting news for you. Because we can't get out the door to play any of our gigs in any of the live venues that we play in, we, Rocka Hillbillies, are now offering you the chance to book me for a live, private, virtual gig. So if that's something that you'd be interested in, all you've got to do is send a message into the Rocka Hillbillies Facebook page, and we'll try and work out something and see about getting me booked for a convenient time for you to hear me play. So here's an example of a song that you can hear if you do decide to book me. It's something I've just recorded. It's an old Jimmy Reed song, but it was also played by Elvis. It's called Baby, What You Want Me to Do. Hope you guys enjoy it, and if you want a private virtual gig, please get in touch via Rocka Hillbillies on Facebook.
You got me running, you got me hiding, you got me run, hide, run anytime that you wanna go. Well, yeah. Yeah, you done what you want me. Now, baby, why let go? I'm going up, I'm going down, I'm going up downtown now. Anytime you wanna go. Yeah. Are you done what you want me now, baby, let go. Well, I peep, hey, I hide. Yeah, I peep, hide now, baby, why don't you let go, go? Yeah. Yeah, you done what you want me, now, baby, why you wanna let go? Yeah, you done what you want me, now, baby.